Put that boring slaw aside and try this tangy and zingy honey mustard coleslaw. You'll need 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard and 1 teaspoon of yellow English mustard. Now if you don't have either of these mustards, just use 2 teaspoons of the one that you have. Add 1 teaspoon of Worchestershire Sauce. Don't forget that pinch of salt. Now add 3 teaspoons of the best quality honey you have in your larder. To this, add 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar or any vinegar that you have. Clean up your spoon, don't waste anything. And then mix. Whisk till everything is combined, taste and adjust your flavors. I added a bit of honey and some extra vinegar. In a separate bowl, put finely chopped cabbage. Mine is slightly coarse because I like it that way. Add finely shredded carrots. Use the cheese grating side to get this texture. Add finely sliced red onions. Now it's time to add your yummy mustard sauce to the salad. Then mix the dressing into the salad until everything is well coated. Your sweet, zesty and tangy coleslaw is now ready to be served. Enjoy this coleslaw on top of a burger or as a side dish with roast. This recipe is brought to you by
Hearty meals home cooked.